Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update Kia Sportage software. We'll start by preparing your USB drive and downloading the necessary files from the official Kia website. Then, I'll guide you through the in-car installation process step by step, ensuring a smooth update. Finally, we'll cover what to do after the update is complete and offer some helpful tips for maintaining your system. Let's get started. Before you begin, you'll need a USB drive. It's recommended to use one with at least 32 gigabytes of storage, formatted to XFAT or FAT32. Next, head to the official Kia Navigation Update website. There, you'll select your specific Kia Sportage model and region to ensure you get the correct files. Download the Kia Navigation Updater program to your computer, then use it to download the software package onto your USB drive. Now, take your prepared USB drive to your Kia Sportage. It's strongly encouraged to have the engine running during the update to prevent battery drain, as the process can take some time. Insert the USB drive into the designated USB port in your vehicle. Your infotainment system should detect the files and display prompts to begin the installation. Follow these instructions carefully and allow the update to complete without interruption. Once the installation is complete, your system may restart. It's a good idea to verify the new software version in your Kia Sportage settings to confirm a successful update. If you notice any features aren't working as expected, a system reset can often resolve minor glitches. For any persistent issues or if the update fails, don't hesitate to contact Kia customer support. Remember to regularly check for new updates to keep your system optimized and enjoy the latest features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.